Hey guys, in my last video I have told you that I'll show you the betting tricks of freebitco.in in my another tutorial video. Here I'm coming with my another tutorial video of freebitco.in. Here you can see the multiply BTC option. Here is the two option, manual bet and auto bet. In manual bet, if you bet for 1 satoshi and if your winning percentage is 47.50%, then your winning profit will be 1 satoshi. Let's see. If I bet high, no man, I'll lose because I got 4178, which is less than 5250. Again, bet low. Yeah, this time I win. Okay. This is about manual bet, and now I'm showing a trick about auto bet. With this betting system, you will get definitely will get be profit. You will get your profit. Okay, let me show you. Here you don't need to do anything here. Bet it's okay. It's okay. Uh, is there is alternate. You can make it high, and your is nothing to do. Don't touch in on win here, go to on lose. Okay, on lose you have to increase it by 120%. Okay, your job is done. Now all you have to do, just start auto bet. Look, my earning is increasing. I have already owned 22 BTC. Here I have owned 40 BTC. Sorry, 40 satoshi. 40 BTC, it's huge, man. 82, 90, 92. Okay, in my 100 rolls you can see that I have owned 92 satoshi, where I have, if I want to earn this satoshi by rolling, man, I have to wait minimum 5 to 6 hours. I am getting this much of satoshi within 100 bits. That's awesome. Okay, let me do it for alternate and make it the betting number of rolls 200. Let's see what happens. uh, it's losing. Now it's winning. Again losing, winning. No man, it's losing. Oh man, 100 BTC. Okay. Okay, you can see that it's continue winning. And my betting session, this session I have won 117 BT satoshi. The most important thing here, I'll suggest you, please never change this, never increase this, because last time when I played my bet, I can remember that I in my account there I have close to 10 lakh satoshi, and at the time when I start losing, I have lose all of it. Now I have only 7,000 satoshi. I think all you guys get what I want to show you. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like this video and comment and share my video, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video again.